Finally, Ghana is part of the Facebook monetization eligibility countries. Yes, previously, if you want to monetize your content on Facebook and you are a Ghanaian or you are in Ghana, the only way you can do that is to get someone in the US, Canada, most of the countries of Europe, then the North American continent. In fact, the whole of Africa, it was only South Africa that was included, but fortunately for us, they have given us the opportunity for us to be able to monetize our content in Ghana. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to access this feature and know the requirement that you need if you want to monetize your content on Facebook, and then how to turn on a professional mode account before you can earn on Facebook content. This is the episode 1 of the Facebook content monetization. More videos will be dropping soon, so without much ado, let's get started. Alright, so the Facebook account that you can earn money from are the profile and the page, but then you cannot make money from your profile unless you convert your profile account to a professional mode before you can earn money from there. So when you convert it, then you turn on some features on before you can earn from Facebook. So as I said it earlier, you have to convert your profile to a professional mode before you can earn on Facebook. So to do that, just log on to your Facebook app, I mean the Meta one, not the Facebook Lite. Log in and tap on your profile. Click on the three dots to show view your profile settings. So from the interface, let's check something from here. Click on follow settings. Alright, so you can see right from here to try professional mode to get paid for your content. So as said earlier, you can't make money from your profile, but only if you convert your profile to a professional mode. So let's go back and turn on that feature. Click on turn on professional mode. So as you can see from this interface as well, click on turn on. Now wait for a while for it to bring you to this interface showing you some features to add to your profile and your account status. You can now see the monetization requirements immediately you turn on the professional mode. When you click on monetization, you can see we have different ways to earn from your content on Facebook. You can earn from your reels, stars from your fans. When you read the criteria, you can apply for the in-stream ads and also from your audience subscriptions. So after turning on professional mode, you can check if you are eligible for monetization. Let's check something here. After turning on the professional mode, you won't see something like your friends again, or your added friends will now show as your followers. You can now click on see dashboard to see the guidelines for your account to start earning, or you can as well click on view guide to see everything you need to know about the professional mode account. So this is simply way to convert your profile account to a professional mode account. Now let's check the general requirements for you to be eligible for the Facebook monetization. Firstly, you have to convert your profile to professional mode before you can see the eligibility criteria, but you have done that already. So the next is to get 5k followers, that's 5,000 followers, and 60,000 minutes of watch time in the last 30 days in order to be able to monetize. If you want to reach this particular requirement, you need to focus uploading more relevant videos that's going to impact people's life. And if you reach the requirement of 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days, you are going to meet the criteria. But note, the videos should be your own videos. Don't go and use people's videos, or else another trouble for you. Remember, you have to be in the eligibility countries. That's have to check whether your country is eligible for monetization. You must follow the policies, that's the Facebook monetization policies. Your profile must have at least 5,000 followers. Then you must have at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days, and then you should post at least 5 videos.
Facebook, you have to upload so many videos. But then if one Facebook video picks up, you're good.
If you follow all these requirements, you can see at the end of the day you'll be able to monetize and make money, because it is easy to reach more people on Facebook than YouTube.
YouTube wants you to work hard.
Yes, YouTube, because YouTube is a very hard place, but as for Facebook, it is easier to break through on Facebook. So take time and follow the eligibility criteria, and I hope you'll be able to monetize your Facebook account. So this is what I have for you in today's video. More videos dropping soon on Facebook monetization. And if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share to reach others. See you in my next video.